got some? Seaweed salad. All right, spot number 2. Let's go. Go. There's some big waves, man. Oh, shoot. We have to go straight on, bro. We have to go straight on. There we go. Brace yourself. Oh my God. The water came all the way up, dude. Turtle. Stuck on something. Unless this is a really big fish. This is a fish. I think it's a fish. Get the net, get the net. There's a fish. Got us a seaweed salad. Yes! First one of the day. Oh shoot. Ah, finally. Let's go. Not a big one, but works for me. Like 2 hours of no fish. First one of the day. First one of the day. Oh boy. We had to work hard for that fish, man. I got another one. Let's go, baby. We're on fire now. Let's go. Not too big, I don't think, but that's number 2. A little bigger, a little bigger. That's good.
Same one. A little bigger. Let's go.
Sort of. I don't even know where they are anymore. I feel like we drifted so far. There's another one. Oh, dude, I missed him. Missed this guy. Got him? Got a pike. This guy got a pike. Pikerino. Yep. We're hooked up. It's a nice one, it's a nice one. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Yes, sir. That's a nice one. Ah, let's go. It's a nice one. That's what we're looking for.
Are we putting it underwater?
Nope. Nice. Let's go, baby. Feels good. After a long day. Well, there's a lot of fish down there, dude. Oh my god, you freak. I thought I had one. Oh, we're hooked up. No. Dang. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, there's the one, baby. Small one, but I'll take it. Take them. There we go. Thank you. Okay. Maybe they are here. Alright guys, what's up? Thanks for watching the video. It was a tough day today with all the boaters and the wind and everything, but we caught a few fish. That concludes our fishing today. Yep. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and make sure you share the video. Thanks.